For fit heavy-duty adjustable speed automatic veneer peeling line for plywood. Three-chain tight square tube feeding machine, more stable and durable than ordinary two-chain. Type can make equipment more automated and replace manual feeding. The low debarker with wolf-tooth rollers, suitable for various curved wood, hardwood, or wooden logs. This machine is equipped with a hydraulic knife holder, which allows for one-click tightening or loosening of the knife. The nighttime veneer peeling machine is a relatively heavy-duty rotary cutting machine, suitable for rotary cutting various hardware. This machine adopts Siemens battery motors, as well as two servo motors and clipper. Servo motors, making the machine powerful, precise, energy-saving, efficient, stable, and flexible.